A guest has requested a surprise birthday in their room,
including decorations and cake.
the front desk received the request to coordinate with department to fulfill it.
To housekeeping and F&B, hello team. We have a guest in room 502 who requested a surprise birthday setup, decoration, and a cake. Can you assist with this?
Absolutely, I prepare some decoration and ensure the room is ready. Should I coordinate with food and beverage for the cake?
Yes, I arranged a cake from barbecuing. Do you have any specific preferences or dietary restrictions?
Hi, I'm the guest in room 502. I wanted to confirm that my birthday surprise arrangement are being taken care of. Hello, I've noted your request and I'll personally ensure everything is arranged. We're preparing decoration and cake. Would you like us to handle any special message or additional surprises? Yes, please say happy birthday. Decoration will be set up in your room before your arrival or at a specific time. Everything is in place. Is there anything else that you can assist with? No, that's perfect. Thank you.
Great teamwork. Well, sure, your celebration is special. Congrats, guys. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.